Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily customize display buttons on the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. So first, head over to the menu with this little button, as you guys can see. Now scroll a bit down until you see Setup right at the bottom. And here go over to Operation Customize. Oh, misclicked. Here we go to Setup. Now go over to Operation Customize. And here we have the custom key setting. Now here we can click it. And here, as you guys can see, we can easily adjust it. Now here we can change the custom key setting here. As you guys can see, we can change it like that. So it's pretty easy. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.